Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to update your Directx on Windows. So first, open your web browser and just hit Directx. Just run a Google search and then click the first link. This directs you to the Microsoft web page, which is the Directx and user runtime web installer. So just click whatever language you have and click download. Once it downloads, click on the setup, and then here you'll just have to follow the installation instructions. So just accept the agreement, and then you can uncheck this or check this if you want the bing bar. Next, and then it will initialize components. Just wait for it. And then once it's done, it will just confirm that if you have a newer version, then it will not install, and then if you have an older version, then a newer version will be installed on your machine. So basically that's it. Click finish and your DirectX is updated.